Hello, fellow travelers and sun-seekers. Have you been dreaming of your next escape? A place with stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and a touch of luxury? Let me introduce you to Croatia, a destination that will capture your heart and leave you breathless. Croatia, nestled along the Adriatic Sea, is a country of incredible beauty and diversity. From ancient walled cities to pristine beaches and cascading waterfalls, Croatia offers a tapestry of experiences that cater to every traveler's desire. Get ready to be swept away by the charm of this Adriatic gem. In this journey, we'll explore some of Croatia's most opulent destinations, where luxury meets authenticity. We'll stroll through historic streets, sail along crystal-clear waters, and immerse ourselves in the warmth of Croatian hospitality. So pack your bags, and let's embark on an unforgettable adventure together. Croatia, often referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a country adorned with over 1,000 islands, each boasting its own unique allure. The coastline stretches for miles, dotted with picturesque fishing villages, hidden coves, and vibrant port towns. Imagine sailing on azure waters, a gentle breeze caressing your face as you hop from one idyllic island to another. Picture yourself sipping local wine at a seaside cafe, the sun setting over the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. This is Croatia, a place where dreams become reality. But Croatia's beauty extends far beyond its coastline. Venture inland, and you'll discover rolling hills blanketed in vineyards, ancient forests teeming with wildlife, and breathtaking national parks that will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. Our first stop takes us to Dubrovnik, a city often hailed as the Pearl of the Adriatic. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Croatia, this enchanting city is a blend of historical charm and natural beauty. Enclosed within its majestic medieval walls, Dubrovnik's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a true testament to its rich history and architectural grandeur. The walls, which have stood the test of time, tell stories of the city's resilience and cultural heritage. As you step through the Pile Gate, one of the city's grand entrances, you'll be transported back in time. This historic gate has welcomed countless visitors over the centuries, each one eager to explore the wonders that lie within. Cobblestone streets wind their way through a maze of Baroque buildings, charming squares, and hidden courtyards. Every corner of the old town reveals a new facet of Dubrovnik's rich architectural tapestry, from ornate facades to quaint alleyways. The city walls, offering breathtaking views of the Adriatic, invite you to take a leisurely stroll and imagine life in centuries past. As you walk along these ancient fortifications, the panoramic vistas of the sea and the city below are simply mesmerizing. For a touch of luxury, indulge in a stay at one of Dubrovnik's exquisite hotels, many housed within restored palaces and offering stunning views of the city and the sea. These hotels blend modern comfort with historical elegance, providing a unique experience for every guest. Savor delectable Dalmatian cuisine at a waterfront restaurant, the gentle sound of waves providing the perfect backdrop for a romantic evening. From fresh seafood to traditional dishes, the culinary delights of Dubrovnik are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Next, we set sail for Hvar, an island renowned for its glamorous atmosphere, sun-drenched beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Hvar town, the island's main port, exudes an air of sophistication with its chic boutiques, stylish bars, and luxurious yachts dotting the harbor. Spend your days lounging on the pristine beaches of Zlatni Rat, also known as Golden Horn, its shape constantly changing with the tide. Explore the island's interior, dotted with lavender fields and olive groves, and discover charming villages where time seems to stand still. As the sun begins its descent, Hvar transforms into a playground for the rich and famous. Sip cocktails at a rooftop bar overlooking the harbor, the air buzzing with excitement. Dance the night away at one of the island's exclusive clubs, where the party continues until dawn. No trip to Croatia would be complete without experiencing the awe-inspiring beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Plitvice is a symphony of nature, where cascading waterfalls connect a series of 16 turquoise lakes, creating a landscape of unparalleled splendor. Wooden walkways and hiking trails meander through this natural wonderland, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Take a boat ride across the serene waters, the gentle hum of the waterfalls filling the air. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls Plitvice home, including deer, wolves, and over 120 species of birds. A visit to Plitvice is an immersive experience that will awaken your senses and leave you with a profound appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, breathe in the fresh air, and simply be present in the moment. Section 6. The Croatian Spirit, Warmth and Hospitality. Beyond its stunning landscapes and luxurious offerings, what truly sets Croatia apart is its people. The Croatian spirit is embodied in the everyday interactions and the heartfelt connections that visitors experience. Croatians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and genuine love for their country. This love is evident in the way they welcome visitors, making them feel like part of the family. They take great pride in sharing their culture, traditions, and of course their delicious cuisine with visitors. Traditional dances, music, and culinary delights are just a few ways they express their rich heritage. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or a quiet village, you'll be greeted with warm smiles and a genuine desire to make you feel welcome. The sense of community is palpable, and it's easy to see why so many visitors fall in love with Croatia. Don't be surprised if you're invited to join a family for a meal or offered a taste of homemade rakia, a local fruit brandy. These gestures are not just about sharing food and drink, but about sharing a piece of their heart and home. Embrace the opportunity to interact with locals, learn a few Croatian phrases, and immerse yourself in the local way of life. Participating in local festivals and events can provide a deeper understanding of Croatian culture and traditions. You'll discover that Croatian hospitality is more than just good manners. It's a way of life, a deep-rooted sense of community and generosity that will stay with you long after you've left. The memories of these warm interactions and the friendships formed will be cherished for years to come, making every visit to Croatia a truly unforgettable experience. Section 7. Indulge your senses, gastronomy and wine. Croatia is a land where culinary traditions are deeply rooted in its culture and history. No exploration of Croatia is complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. The country's diverse regions offer a variety of dishes that reflect its rich cultural tapestry. Croatian gastronomy is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean flavors, with an emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From the bustling markets to the quaint seaside restaurants, the focus is always on quality and freshness. Seafood takes center stage along the coast, where the Adriatic Sea provides an abundance of fresh fish and shellfish. Inland, hearty meat dishes and flavorful stews, often cooked with locally grown vegetables, are popular. Start your day with a leisurely breakfast of burek, a flaky pastry filled with cheese or meat. This traditional breakfast item is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. For lunch, savor fresh grilled fish or seafood risotto, best enjoyed with a glass of local wine. The combination of fresh seafood and expertly crafted wine creates a dining experience that is both satisfying and memorable. In the evening, indulge in a traditional peka, a dish of meat and vegetables slow-cooked under a bell-shaped lid. This method of cooking ensures that the flavors are perfectly melded, resulting in a dish that is both tender and flavorful. Croatia boasts a rich winemaking tradition, dating back to the ancient Greeks. The country's diverse climate and terrain provide ideal conditions for growing a variety of grape types. From the crisp white wines of Istria to the full-bodied reds of Dalmatia, there's a Croatian wine to suit every palate. Each region has its own unique winemaking techniques and grape varieties, offering a wide range of flavors and aromas. Be sure to visit a local winery and sample the fruits of their labor while enjoying the picturesque vineyard views. Many wineries offer tours and tastings, providing an opportunity to learn about the winemaking process and the history of the region. Section 8. Embrace the adventure. Croatia is a destination that caters to every type of traveler, from those seeking relaxation and luxury to those yearning for adventure and exploration. For the adventurous souls, Croatia offers a plethora of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. Explore the hidden coves and shipwrecks of the Adriatic with a scuba diving or snorkeling excursion. Hike or bike through the country's stunning national parks, immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature. Go whitewater rafting on the Cetina River, navigating thrilling rapids surrounded by breathtaking scenery. For a unique perspective, take to the skies with a panoramic flight over the islands, marveling at the beauty of the archipelago from above. Or rent a sailboat and chart your own course, discovering hidden beaches and secluded coves at your own pace. Section 9. Join the journey. Croatia is calling, inviting you to discover its hidden treasures, savor its flavors, and embrace its vibrant spirit. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, Croatia has something to offer every traveler. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready for an unforgettable journey to the heart of the Adriatic. Croatia awaits, ready to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips on exploring the world's most captivating destinations. Happy travels!